Ready for an adventure with Daniel and his missing pencil? One morning, Daniel was getting ready for school and he couldn't find his pencil. His mum called out, "Mimic, hurry Daniel, the school bus is coming." Daniel searched everywhere, but no luck then. He remembered. He left it in his sister Sarah's notebook. He raced to find it and voila, there it was. He promised himself, "Mimic, next time I'll keep it in my diary. Jump to math class." The teacher wrote a question on the board. Daniel knew the answer, but where was his pencil? He searched his bag, every pocket, every corner, nothing. Time ran out and the teacher scolded him. Daniel felt so embarrassed. During break, his friend Momin asked for help with the problem. Daniel opened his diary and, surprise, the pencil. Momin was annoyed. "Mimic, if it was in your bag the whole time, why didn't you solve the question?" Daniel realized he needed to be more organized. He promised to keep everything in its proper place. And guess what? He never missed solving a question again. Remember, kids, always keep your things in their proper place to avoid confusion and frustration. The end.